So this is the thing, a mini heat gun that I can get under the car quite easily with. It should have enough power. Get the heat on that bad boy. Yeah. I don't like to be dramatic, but this is make or break. If I'm honest with you, I'm afraid of hard work, but I don't like it when it goes wrong.
I wait for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that testify back my stomach sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that testify?
We have the same readout error. Engine's running like a dog. That car does not work. My car's been broken for a very long time. As you know, as much as I wish I was the one that fixed it, I can't, and also it needs an MOT now, so
I forgot about it. I already remember.
This one will be a minor leak,
right.
and that vacuum pipe might well go down to the turbo, and that could be the one that actuates.
Long story short, I had to call in the support gods because I couldn't do it for myself. So mechanic dude sorted me out. Turns out there was a pipe come off downstream from the turbo. So when it was like running like shit, like mechanic was like, "Can you hear that noise, that hissing noise?" And I was like, "Do you know what? Now you come to mention it, I can hear nothing else but that noise right now." Got it running. He's reconnected the things that he thinks were fucked, basically. Now he wants me to go run it because the battery's obviously gone flat because it's going to be fucking used for months. So next job on the list: run the car, charge the battery, see if the error codes are gone, crack on. I'm gonna have to jump it though, of course, and I forgot to bring batteries. Tell you what, that's a fucking lovely sound. I love to hear. I've not heard this engine sounding well for what feels like a very, very, very long time. See if I can remember how to drive the bus today.
I wish you all the best I can, and
I really hope it starts quite nice if it will. It's unlikely, but what do you reckon? Give it a bit. Alright. That is a car that's died. Oh my fucking god, yes. Just got back from taking the car to be MOT'd, so fairly terrified. Just had a look to see what is happening. And this is the MOT. Assholes. I now can't stop thinking. Basically, I can't stop thinking about getting on the car, and in particular, that would be absolutely ridiculous, and I sort of know I would regret it. I fear that the want is a harder thing to get out of than the need. Next time I have a car that's broken, hopefully the other car will work. See, that's the logic. Always have a car that might work. Makes sense to me.